What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be wrapping my C8, Z06 in KPMF Gloss Morpheus Black and the Evolve Racing Carbon Fiber. Right now, I did do the roof in this Morpheus Black. It's really glossy. This stuff is no joke. It's by KPMF. Alright guys, so here you go. The car has been disassembled and gonna be putting it back together pieces by pieces. I already got the passenger side put together. We'll get to it in a second. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm aiming here for. The fender is gonna be in this film carbon fiber, but also I don't have the door on because I want to show you exactly how I've got it all finished here. So same film and everything. So carbon fiber, then you got these little side splitters, carbon fiber. They're OEM. Not sure what trim package you gotta get to get these, but they look nice and I didn't feel like buying real carbon fiber. Kind of like this texture much better. I'm gonna show you guys why. So if you look right here, you see this like reflection that's given off. I'm telling you guys, it's unbelievable. And this is a cast film, so it's gonna outlast Tiny Bot. It's gonna outlast all of these 70s, 60s Chinese brands. This is quality stuff you're gonna be working with. And I feel like they have updated this film, by the way, because the air release has improved. I've done a video talking about the air release not being quite there yet. And even though on their website they advertise as air release, this and that, but I was like, I don't think so, because there's bubbles and they don't escape. Where's the air release activating? They must have watched my videos and updated it. Also, I noticed the letterings. Where is it at? The letterings on the back have updated, like the font, and also they added extra guides, these little arrows. So they must have watched my videos. Who knows? I definitely seen an improvement, and I'm thankful for that, because it allowed me to pull this off the way it is looking right now. I mean, unbelievable carbon fiber right there. Even because when I'm gonna be putting the fender on and then the door, you guys will see it's not gonna show the white in the gap between the door and the rear quarter panel fender. Let me show you guys the other side now, with basically sort of kind of complete, excluding the passenger side rear fender being installed. I'm actually going to be doing that right now, but you guys can kind of get a general idea where I'm aiming here for. So here's the passenger side, and here's the fender, the passenger side fender. Glossy. I mean, it's just wow, unbelievable. In the sun, it's even crazier. And then here's the Morpheus Black by KPMF. It's gonna look black, gloss black, but then once the light hits it, I'm telling you guys right now, you are not ready when I take it outside. So you guys definitely want to stay tuned, subscribe, you guys, because I got many more content like this coming up for you guys. And well, like I said, doing the fender right now. And then you guys look over here, it's carbon fiber. It's carbon fiber. It gives it a much more of a supercar look now, carbon fiber. And it goes well with black, so I kind of had to play around with the colors. If I was going to be going satin black, I'm still doing this regardless, but I kind of wanted to step it up. Satin black, everybody has it. This, I haven't seen a Corvette having this. All right guys, all complete. I'm gonna take it outside, show you guys this car in the sunlight, but in the meantime, you guys can see right now that it looks black. Well, that's because the light's not hitting it, so it kind of has that effect where it looks gloss black. But once there's some sort of like light hitting the door, the bumper, the quarter panel, you know, it starts to show that little effect, which you guys don't want to miss. It's completely out of this world. It looks amazing. It looks, I mean, it will break necks, literally. Enough of me talking. I'm going to take you guys to the back, and then I'm going to take this car outside where you could really see it. Look at that. My camera's not even focusing. There's too much to focus on, literally. It doesn't do no justice. In person, this looks crazy. And there you guys have it, all complete. I did some minor changes. Added red instead of white. I think red looks a little bit more poppy. Goes with the red calipers that I got on this car right now. Another thing you probably see me have is, I believe this was wrapped in this like Damascus by Steck. I took it off and just exposed the OEM, what is it, flash metallic mirror caps, and then with this part right here, the top part, so this was wrapped in Morpheus black, so I just went ahead and wrapped it in 3M 2080 gloss black, and then added some carbon fiber on top. It's the same carbon fiber that you see over here and also on my side skirts and all the way over there. Now, as far as the wheels go, I didn't really want to go through with the purchase of the Apex rims that were in satin black, because these rims look really nice, honestly. They do say forged. There's a lot of controversy on that. Some say Corvette just puts that for selling purposes. In reality, they are rotary forged. I don't give a damn, honestly, to be honest. They look really nice, and I really want to keep them. And I don't feel like spending $4 grand for some new rims that are satin black and then already correct the offset. So this is for those that own a Z06 with these spiderweb rims or whatever rims you got. I'm pretty sure they all got the same offset on the Z06. Again, this is for the Z06 because Stingray is different. Get yourself some 5mm spacers in the front. Here, take a look how it looks right now. It doesn't stick out too much. 10mm will be pushing it, especially if you're lowered. You're gonna be rubbing. And then in the back, just go to Paragon Performance website. Get yourself some 20mm spacers. They literally have them. And look at this offset right here. Perfect. Really nice looking. OEM rims. And they look fantastic. Also, the rear is on no springs, none of that Paragon lowering kits, especially the front. It's all OEM. All I did with the rear is I lowered it halfway. So you got a big old thread, I just did halfway. That's it. And it's very easy to do. If you want the wrench and that toolkit, you can get it from Paragon Performance as well. I already had it from the time I lowered my Stingray. But you guys, look at this. Oh yeah, by the way, look at the back too. I also did the red, kind of finish it off, and I added this spoiler. This is the OEM spoiler that it came with initially before I had a carbon fiber one, and now with this one it's a little bit more aggressive. And then these extended, these little fin things, I wrapped them in the carbon fiber, same carbon fiber that I got all over this car, just to match it. I don't want to have different company carbon fibers, you know. And real carbon fiber costs a ton of money. There's no performance from it. It's just aesthetically looks nice. I get with the people going with real carbon, but if it ain't got no performance, it don't make sense. That's just me. So yeah, looks amazing. Take you guys around real quick to the back and then to the side. Looks crazy, you guys. Take a look. And that will be it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and peace out.